Hello everyone, good morning, good morning. So today we are going to go on a couple of errands today. First we are going to go to Sheetz and get some food and we're going to pig out. And then second, we are going to go to the bank because I need to go to the freaking bank today. Alright. So, I woke up about a few hours ago. I was just watching some videos on YouTube, you know. It's like, oh, I posted a new video the other day, and it's like, I need to make some more videos for my channel. And what else would I be doing? I'll drive around and get food and go to the bank on my daily freaking life. Do I have everything? Yes, I have my wallet, my phone, my keys. Of course I have my keys, unless my car didn't start. So I had to deposit some of my tip money and everything else like that. Because last night I served. Oh, I hate this driving thing. Last night I served and I need to deposit some of my tip money. Now, last night I didn't make crap serving. I only at least made like $35 or so. It was horrible. I did everything like I treated everyone like I treated everyone else. I did everything that I possibly can, but people were just not tipping good that night. It was a Monday. It was an off day. Because Mondays are always off days. And then today is Tuesday. I'm off. So that is amazing. Because I just came back from vacation and it's like, finally off. After one day working. And then I work takeout for I think 2 days. Then I'm serving the rest. I'm thinking that's what it is. I don't know, I can't remember. The first thing when I wake up, that's my schedule is usually the first thing I look at. Or like the night before, so I know like if I'm working in the mornings, I can get up. Because I know I'm working 10 to 4 2 days. So I must be serving the rest. I need a mint. You guys want a mint? I can't freaking open it. I'm driving. I always like to eat my mints. But, yeah, this is how my day is going. And then when I get home, we're gonna have a mukbang, or whatever you want to call it. I'll see you guys when I get my food. I'm back! Okay, so I'm gonna split out my smorgasbord. You'd be like, Dakota, do you really eat all this food? And I'll be like, no, I actually don't. Because I don't really eat that much. But I am treating myself. I have to exercise tonight anyway, so it's like I'm gonna burn off all these calories. I exercise every other night. Do I go to a gym? No, I do it at the privacy of my own home. Because why would I spend money when I can literally go to Walmart, buy the same equipment for cheap, you know, and do it at home. And then you'll have people staring at you. Oh, that one stick. Dip in my ranch. The best thing about my cat is she likes ranch. Now, usually what I get in my salad is lettuce, red onions, spicy chicken, well, which is buffalo chicken, basically. French fries, croutons, shredded cheese, Parmesan cheese, diced up tomatoes, and that's it. You can add other stuff to your salad if you want to. But, And guys, I'm going to recommend trying this salad at Eden Park. It's called the Chicken Bruschetta Salad. It's, herb crusted chicken with balsamic glaze over it. And, not onions, diced up tomatoes over lettuce. It has cucumbers, everything else in it. It's the bomb. I love it so much. I don't get sheets, cause, give me a second. So this is cheese sticks, alright? This is the appetizer sampler. When you get this, like, the regular cheese sticks, you just only get, like, 3 or 6 of them in a pack. Wait, not 6. I know it's definitely not 6. And this is more cheaper to just get the appetizer sampler, where you get so many cheese sticks, than just to get a few. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like a ripoff. Just hit the spot. I went to the bank. Deposit me money. Oh. And a while back ago, so one of my favorite TV shows to watch ever is Mom. It's about, alcoholics and stuff. And I'm trying to get sober. Wow. They said they're going to cancel it after season 8. That doesn't slide with me. That's a no-no. Because I love this show. And it's like, just cancel it. How dare they? On Instagram, they had a petition because one of the stars of the show posted on Instagram, signed a petition to keep the show going. I signed that damn thing. Because I always loved Thursdays. Because that's when a new episode would come out. It made my day to come home after work and watch it. But now I just have to find another show. Just like how a while back ago, I got into Rizzoli and Isles. I watched every freaking episode. And then to find out that they canceled it. Horrible. Don't get me wrong, I still love that show. I still watch it. And then another show, Steven Universe. Canceled it. It's over. Like, hello, make more episodes. Like, it was just starting to get good. They're building their own colonies on Earth. And they start the school thingy. And then everyone got together. All the diamonds were nice. Everything else like that. And it's like, boom. And Steven finally fused with Garnet, Amethyst, Pearl. To make Obsidian. Oh. Okay, so I'm really picky about my lettuce. I don't like how it has a little thing on it, so I just pick it out. And school starting soon. Like, ew. Ew. I mean, I like school. But it's just getting on my nerves. And it's just getting on my nerves. I just can't wait for Cosmo. For me to progress my skills. Because by the end of this year, I plan to have my esthetician license. and my nail tech license. The esthetician license, just so you don't know, is like facials, and then nail tech license, it's nails. And your other license you can go is your hair cutting license, which I'm gonna get those soon, probably. And then I want to see about, like, I like my job at Eden Park, but I want to see about, like, getting started in a salon, but still have Eden Park, you know, just, like, work in a salon a few times a week, you know, and it's, like, shampoo hair, like, start as a shampooer, and, like, move my way up. And then I'm going to start building clientele. And after a few years working in a salon, I have enough money saved up to open my own. Now, I gotta get my roots done here. I'm trying to wait it out a little bit, so that they're not grown back before school starts. And since there's so much time for me to get my roots done, I'm gonna start putting money back. So like my tips, I'll start putting those back. Paycheck, putting some of it back. So I have enough money to pay for my hair. And my hair is expensive. And it's not a bad price, but it could be a little bit better. Cheers. Chubby, you okay? You okay? She's just staring outside. Then I gotta get my hair trimmed. Because it's getting a bit long. And last night, I did this toning treatment on it to make my hair more white. Left it in for a few hours. And look. Nice and white. My hair does fall out. I have a lot of hair falling out. So that's just my hair. It falls out a lot. it doesn't help that I keep getting it done and bleaching it, you know. But it's like, what am I gonna do? Because in order to have white hair, or platinum icy hair, you have to bleach your hair a lot. I know. I would say I bleach my hair. I mean, you could just bleach it once and leave it on for like a really long time. Or you can like do different methods of how to like bleach it. Where you could like use 20 volt, 30, then use 10. Or you can like, if you have color in your hair and you have a blonde base, you could use powder bleach. I mean, not powder bleach. Like your bleach powder mixed in with Dangerous shampoo and apply it on your head. That works. You can do a bleach bath. There are many options. Vitamin C treatments to your hair. Like you crush them up, mix them with Dangerous shampoo, put on your head. Well, guys, I'm gonna go and take a nap. See you later. Bye. Oh my gosh, spit out of my mouth. That was disgusting. Ew.